So yo,
when you see what I go on, I blend them, I have to use a cream out my teeth them because I don't have no teeth. You see? So, I make it work.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. Oh my God, today are the year-to-year dance. So much love we showing. Christmas breeze is blowing. Nah, it won't be snowing. It's perfect.
These are my people, so I cream the sugar, the butter and the egg in a blender because I'm in a mixer. You see? Nice this over here, you see? Yeah. And then the flour, the rice, that's up. Season up already, everything. Oven and warm up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Mix up the thing, you know?
No, I don't.
Show me what I've got. See it, my people. Whole heap of cake go down in idea, you see? So when you don't have a blender, when you don't have a mixer, mommy teach you the way. So you have to make your hand turn fashion, is it? Who can tell me something I don't make this with a mixer? Nobody. So the fruit chunks them nice and it. Nice thick. But we need some more color in this because if not, thing are gonna be white, is it? So You know, pray.
you're so weird, Jimmy hair.
Huh?
Jimmy hair.
I did this, Daddy.
What? Oh, for put Alright, this is the moment of truth. One big bowl of cake.
Yeah, that would be able to ask.
Only you.
Alright, see it, my people.
Only you.
We have to sing song, my boss. Alright, I drop them in that oven, you know. We have a heap of mixture over here, so left back same way. You can bake about 4 more cake. Yep, I drop them in the oven right now. You see it? Yeah, man.
You made so much cake. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, good job.
6 cake.
Yeah, I'm gonna make 1 too, bro.
More? Do you know how much it's gonna be that? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 22.
That's much cake you want?
Oh no, the cake.
Into the oven.
The cake's gonna be really sad, and it's gonna be really hot, right?
No, I'm gonna be sad. Happy, happy with the beat. Or if you be sad when it heat touch it.
It's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot, yes, but
He's gonna be hot and he's gonna really burn. He's gonna burn. Let's see.
end up using all our fruits.
Are they gonna burn?
Yeah. Don't wish no burn for me cake. We don't go on there yet.
They're gonna burn like this. You're gonna
Blood
burn
and
your
cheese, that's
face.
dirty mouth. Why would you want to see my cake burn you? So see, I know I just run down the dollar store, got the box so sitting. Just some little bag, I'm showing how I go on. I some little bag or so. About $14 everything costs. And I'm gonna bake some little mini size cake, you see it? And then put some cereal, like just an individual thing. See me? So I give everybody like an individual cake and an individual cereal. And put the cake them now this one bake, yeah. Now a little box, you see me? You know if I have to now, I'm gonna drop them in the little gift bag. Can't do nothing much, but we do what we can do, you see it? And I hit that. I just wash out them back there now. And then we have some more mixture over here, so.
Don't know.
You see me? So I'm gonna use that for make a little mini cake, them, man. You see it? And then in a oven, I go and bake. Think them a rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say, strong youth. Cake them a bake up. Miss Joanne, your cake is on the way. Yay.
No, he's not General Salmonella. Sit down.
Salmonella,
It's raw egg, man.
Salmonella with me I grow.
That's what you think. That's why your eyes the way it is.
No.
He doesn't want to come. Leave him.
With my eye. Anyway, my people, see them.
Okay, relax.
Jamie,
Yeah.
what is this? Oh God, come,
No.
Bushman,
Okay.
come.
So quiet.
Leave him. He's so quiet, bro.
Come, Jam. Please. Lick it. Just rub it on. Rub it on the bowl. Taste this. You can't.
Ew, not what you like.
No, man, come. Alright, rub it on. If you don't lick the bowl as a child, you're not a child or a child.
Try it.
Taste it. Tell me how it tastes. Nice? Taste it. How it tastes? You drunk already? You're boxing done.
Good. It's really good.
Come, try more. A 200 going with? Bomba! What? Nice? Like it? Hold on. Wait, no joking. Wait.
No way. It's too good.
Is it? Okay, go wash your hands. Go wash your hands.
What small one?
Yeah, that's for like for the babies to eat like Nana, like Amira.
I mean, I can't even listen to box all
No, that's rude. What is
Having
this
people?
for?
Watch how I go.
What is this for?
That's for to wrap them in. Jesus have mercy.
I don't think those are ready, bro.
They are. You don't want to overbeat them in that mistake.
Are those for me and mommy?
Oh, you don't want them to crack too much, eh?
Are those for me and mommy?
Oh, yep.
All of us, bro.
2 for you, 2 for me, and 2 for daddy.
Don't tell your mother.
2 for other
Tell your mother quick.
people. 2 for other
Miss Joanne, she sell you out. See it there? Anyways, see it there, my people. Boom, bam. Alright, that's done. Watch out now. This is the real deal, my people.
Oh, he has me working like a slave, y'all.
This is the trick, you know. As soon as they come out of the oven, my people, hot, you have to spray with the rum. So the cake nice and you see me? Go up on the cooking channel and pray the pray.
Do you have more red label one and stuff?
Red little one there.
Okay, we'll say you're about to finish it on these.
Oh my
Take
days.
any one, Jameer.
Can I take more?
Yes.
Alright. Now yellow for people them. That's it. You know what I say? The cake them out. Now go full up them out cereal. Speaking of cereal, I'm show you what I go on. Come over here so now. Wait. Now go strain off the cereal here.
Not with me here.
Not now. Now strain off the cereal so you're nice and rich, my people. Now go strain that with a mini cake. I'm gonna give one of my friends them like a individual size cereal and an individual size cake. You know what I say? Sweet of my people, 6 cereal and 8 cake. I'll give each one of them to one of my friends. You know the thing going. My mother-in-law will get her cereal. Jamir, wait now you. My mother-in-law will get fair cereal them and cake same way, and you don't know. That's left back something for yourself. You know I'm going to put up a buckle for mommy and let you go and ferment. Yeah, I put up a buckle of cereal for mommy. I'm fear I'm going to put up one of the cake and fair. You see? So yeah, alright, my people, right now, that's at the end of today. Thank you very much for being in the kitchen with me. If you want to learn how to make a food cake, it's not too late, you see me? Head Jamie, wait now youth.
Ma.
Head on over to my cooking channel, Morris Time Cooking on YouTube. Or you can check out my website, www.hotchef.com. That's HAWTCHEF.com. You see me? And get the good things them. All things Christmas. On your dinner table, I have a Christmas idea playlist, so check that out. Over 220 and counting videos. If you don't afford from, once again, enough love for love and thank you for being in the kitchen with me. I go to Scarborough Town Centre now. I'm going to link up one of my friends. You see it? And that's the same thing there.